So in today's lesson, we're just going to do a real quick study on what an ore is. And there's a purpose behind it, because understanding minerals has allowed us to really go out and become miners, and knowing the properties of these minerals allows us to find the mineral, allows us to know which minerals are hard enough to do certain tasks. The whole purpose of studying mineralogy is just so that we can use it for something, not just to have some knowledge that this mineral is quartz and this mineral is gold. Who cares if we can't do anything with those minerals? So, mineral ore is just a mineral that can be mined for some use, whether it's for decorative use or for industrial use. Many minerals that are mined are rare and beautiful, and we call those gems and gemstones. And so here's an example of some of the gemstones. Remember, I told you that quartz is made out of many, many different colors. And here are 6 gemstones that are actually made out of the different colors and qualities of quartz. You have your amethyst, citrine, rose quartz, smoky quartz, ametrine, and rutilated quartz, which is all pretty cool stuff if you can learn to cut it and polish it, mount it on a ring and give it to your girlfriend. They're just as happy as could be. Other gemstones come from other minerals besides quartz. So for example, you have sapphire. Sapphire is the mineral corundum, all polished up and cut. An emerald comes from the mineral beryl. Okay, and emeralds are extremely expensive. This emerald right here is actually $10,000. Rubies come from a different variety of corundum, a different colored corundum. Diamonds are diamonds. Girl's best friend, or at least that's what they tell me, not a guy's best friend because we have to pay for it. Rhodonite is this reddish mineral. It's a mineral itself that you can polish up, turn it into a gem. And finally, you have opals. And opals are actually mineraloids, which is partially a mineral. It's also has some other qualities in there. But that mineral part is actually the quartz. Okay, many minerals we go out and we mine. For example, bauxite can be mined and then changed into aluminum. Bauxite is that one that has that's pisolytic, that has the oolites in it, these round spheres. Okay, those round spheres are made out of iron, aluminum, and you can go and you can mine it. The most important ores in Arizona are actually silver and copper. Here's an example of the bauxite. Here's an example of what a mine is. You can see all the red out there. The value of ores actually change due to supply and demand. The less quantity and the greater demand for a mineral's use will raise the prices quite dramatically. Another example of useful, rare, and durable ore is actually called titanium. Titanium is fantastic because it's water resistant. You can stick it in a human's body without it corroding. You take titanium, you add it to steel, you get something called stainless steel. Titanium is used in paints, paper, toothpaste, plastics. If you've ever had surgery, chances are they use titanium staples or pins in your body, maybe titanium screws. Right here is what titanium actually looks like in its raw form. Over here is what looks like when you create some knee joints out of it. And because titanium is so rare, it's actually quite expensive. So again, supply and demand, there's a huge demand for it. It doesn't corrode, so your medical sciences, of course, taken this titanium and turned it into a really big profit margin. Anyways, so what you guys are going to be doing now is you guys are going to be doing this assignment here. Okay, what you're going to do is you are going to use a computer, and you are going to find 6 different ores: diamonds, gold, rock salt, bauxite, iron, and titanium. And what I want you to do is find the location of 3 of the largest mines for each of these ores, and then I want you to come up with 2 industrial uses for each ore. What are they used for? Some of these we've already kind of mentioned, but you need to go out and find another one that wasn't mentioned, something I haven't actually said yet. And you are going to then, after you found the location, we're going to do a little bit of geography. You're going to use this map here, and you're going to place a D, for example, diamonds. If South America or over here in Brazil has one of the largest diamond mines, you'd put a big old D over here. Okay, if Asia has one of the, somewhere over here has one of the largest titanium mines, you'd put a capital T over in this area. And so you're supposed to, so you should have 3 letters for each ore. So you're going to have 3 capital D's, 3 G's, 3 R's, 3 B's, 3 I's, and 3 T's running around on that map. And we will discuss this tomorrow.